In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Shopify website and create a clean, professional online store that matches your brand. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Then select Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Inside the editor, you can start designing your website by customizing sections like banners, featured collections, slideshows, product grids, and announcements. Next, open Theme Settings where you can change your logo, colors, fonts, buttons, layouts, and overall website style to match your brand identity. You can also customize typography and animations to make your store feel more modern and engaging for visitors. To improve navigation, organize your homepage with clear sections and make sure important products or collections are easy to find. Don't forget to preview your website on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure everything looks clean and responsive. Once you're happy with your design, click Save to publish your changes live on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.